How to fix Facebook Lite login error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite login error on Android phone. First, just open settings and then click apps, and now apps again, and here just click Lite here. Type it and you will find it. Click on it and just click here for stop. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here and go to storage. Now clear cache and then restart your phone. Click restart, and that's it. Go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.